hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and...
What the just happened?
Border side hail. Source radar indicated. Impact. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
I'm hoping that it repeats it.
Damage to roof, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Clear City around 3:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. New Effington around 3:35
Yeah, it's 4:25 out here.
Central Daylight Time. County Park and Greenville
And I'm still not tired.
3:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging windows, continuous cloud to ground lightning.
I'll wait for it to repeat it.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Marshall, South Dakota. At 3 a.m. over Aberdeen, it was mostly cloudy. The visibility was 10 miles. The temperature was 70 degrees, the dew point 69, and the relative humidity was 97%. The wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.76 inches and steady. Once again, at 3 a.m. over the Aberdeen area, it was mostly cloudy, and the temperatures were 70 degrees.
Listening to NOAA Weather Radio WXM25. Voice of NOAA's National Weather Service for Aberdeen and surrounding communities. WXM25 broadcasting from South Dakota.
So they can do whatever they want at any point in time, even if it's hard.
Current time is 3:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
One last bit of evidence sealed the case against Rodney Berry.
The National Weather
There we
Service
go.
in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Traverse County and west central Minnesota, northeastern Marshall County and northeast South Dakota, northern Roberts County and northeast South Dakota until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Clear City, or 19 miles.
First one I'm pitting up for Traverse County, Minnesota.
40 miles per hour.
That counts just for the first county, just before you go over the, just after you go over the state line from Aberdeen.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Clear City around 3:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. New Effington around 3.
Jesus, how many times is my thing gonna do this tonight?
12 miles away to a deserted farm.
Oh my God.
Clearly shows a confrontation with very
Are you kidding me? God. They're saying around New Effington around 3:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, County Park, and Rainbow Island by 3:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time. You heard the rest at the beginning of the video, but this is honestly the first one I picked up for Traverse County, Minnesota. But for now, this should conclude the video.